Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome to my review of this light. This is the Trustfire E3R. It's an 18650 light. Can also use two CR123 batteries in a pinch. And I got some knives here as backdrop. I've decided for my flashlight videos, I'm always going to have some nice knives as backdrop because most of my subscribers very into knives, and just to give you a little bit of a reason to click on these videos, even if you already have all the flashlights you want. Also, check the links in the text description box because you never know what little surprises I might include. Alright, but this light, yeah, you can recharge the battery in the light, so that's very convenient. Yeah, here are the stats on the light. As you can see, it has 3 brightness levels and strobe. 1000 lumens is the maximum, and the beam distance, max beam distance, 175 meters. And you can see the run times there as well. Alright, so that's pretty decent, and the price tag on this, $40, including the rechargeable 18650 battery, so that's a pretty good deal. Alright, let's take a look at the light itself. It's got some texture here for grip. It's got a quickly removable pocket clip there. It's got a side switch, a smooth reflector. Hold on, you'll see that better later. And it's got this bezel here. Now this comes with numerous accessories. You got the micro USB to USB recharging cable, comes with a lanyard, some spare O-rings, comes with that holster. Here it is in the holster. So you see that's what it has on the back. It's got Velcro overflap. And as I said, it comes with that 18650 lithium ion cell, so I might as well show you that now. To get at it, unscrew the body of the light. And this is a genuine Trustfire rechargeable 18650. Alright, operation of this light. To turn it on, you press the side switch. Now this always comes on in the high mode, right? So with one touch you get as much light as it can give you, right? That's the default. There's no memory function, it's just simple. Alright, so this is going to be the high mode. Alright, now if you press it again, wait, that's 1000 lumens. Press it again. That is the medium. And again, that is the low. And press it again and it turns off. So the cycle is high, medium, low, and off. Now when the light is on, if you long press, you get a strobe. Alright, warning, we're going to be strobing. Long press. Takes about 2 seconds, and there you go. That's the strobe. So that is pretty simple. I kind of like how simple it is. There's no turbo mode. There's no ultra low mode. There's no SOS mode. There's just low, medium, high, and a strobe. The only thing I would change is I would like a quicker way to turn it off, because the way it is now, you got to cycle through the brightness levels to turn it off. So, I mean, that's like basically a triple tap, right? So it's like a triple tap to turn it off. So I would include some faster way to turn it off. But other than that, I do like how simple the interface is. This also has a lockout function. Basically, you just hold this down for 1.5 seconds, lock it out, hold it down for 1.5 seconds again, and it unlocks. Alright, so lockout function, that's good. It also has a battery indicator light, right? When it's on, hold on. See, that's green. Now it might be hard to see because my studio lights are so bright, but outside, that's green when your battery is almost at full charge, and it decreases to red when you need to recharge. Now in order to recharge the battery, you just hook up the recharging cable to any USB power source. In this case I have a power bank, and the charging indicator is the battery life indicator that's on the side switch. So that's really convenient. Alright, let me roll in the outside demonstration and testing footage, and I hope you enjoy it, and then we'll come back for final thoughts on this Trustfire E3R. Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm out here with this light and I just spotted something in the yard. Can you see it? Let's light it up. Hey dear. And without the light, that's what you see. And with the light, Pretty cool. Well, I spotted my first trespasser with this Trustfire light. See you later, dear. Okay, we're out on the testing board with this Trustfire light. This is the low mode. This is the medium mode. And this is the high mode, and that is quite bright. Alright, strobe warning, we're gonna strobe ya. Very nice. Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm on the country road. Not much here, but here is the light shining road. Let's shine it down the road. There you go, not bad at all. Let's go check out the creek. Alright, here we are looking over Frog Creek. Let's see what we can see. This is a nice focused beam. Up to the treetops. Yeah, I like this quite a bit. Let's zoom in, let's see. Can we see the water? Yeah, a lot of humidity in the air. We just had a big thunderstorm earlier. But yeah, this is really lighting up Frog Creek. 1,000 lumens, and it uses them well. Nice, well there you go YouTube, the Trustfire at Frog Creek. Alright YouTube, here's a top view of the beam shot. That's pretty nice. On the road. Let's get you a view. Yeah, that's a nice little river of light. Alright, just more of this. Without the light, that's what you see, nothing. Because there's no lights on, no street lights on this road. So this light does an excellent job. Excellent job. And while I'm here, I might as well show you, you see that green indicator light on the side switch? Alright, because I just recharged the batteries before coming out here. You can see that a lot better. Alright YouTube, I'm on the soccer field and I'm pointing at the goal. Now I don't know if you can see that. I can see it just a little bit with the naked eye. You see that soccer goal? I don't know if the camera's picking that up, but this is what it does. A lot of humidity, a lot of stuff in the air, so it's adverse conditions. But this is the Trustfire light crossing the field there. I think you can see it. Can you see that? Yeah, I can just see it in the viewfinder. Got this little viewfinder. But yeah, this is crossing the soccer field. And one more demonstration for you, the backyard security mission. Alright, so if you hear a bump in the night, there's a wood pile. That's the testing board. Got my sword cutting stand there. That's the neighbors. And without light, this is what you see. Nothing, except the other neighbor's lights there. And boom. And I'm up in the second story window, so yeah, great range and great performance from this light. I definitely like the reflector. I felt that the focus of the beam was kind of ideal for what I would want in a light of this type. I also like that you can recharge the battery in the light. You don't need a separate charger. That's a big thing for a lot of people who are not looking to collect lights. They just want a few and they want to be able to recharge it in the light. That's good. Also, I like the fact that it comes without high quality battery, right? So would I change anything? Well, first of all, Trustfire sent me this light and they want me to give it, you know, when you send me a light, I'm going to give you good and bad criticism so you can improve your product. So as I said before, I would like a way to easily turn off the light without having to click through all the brightness levels. So that would be my advice, just make it a bit more convenient. So that is what I would say. But overall, I really do like this light quite a bit. I also like that the strobe was very disorienting. That's what I want in it. If I'm going to strobe someone, that's what I want. I want it to be quite disorienting. What I like most about this is the range on this light. When I first got into lights, of course, I wanted really bright floodlights, but now I'm into throwers. That's kind of the standard evolution of a flashlight enthusiast. And so, yeah, this has very good range for the size of this light, you know. I have lights that I think that the reflector of the light is the same length as this entire light, right? So there's going to be some hard limits, hard technical limits, but within the confines of a compact single 18650 light, they've given this some great range. I mean, 175 meters for an EDC type light that doesn't even have a giant head on it or anything. Yeah, that is very decent. All right, YouTube, well, I hope you enjoyed this review. In the text description box, there will be linked the Amazon link to this, as well as to an assortment of other Trustfire lights. They have several that don't have recharging in the light. If you are one of those people who has a separate recharger and you don't need that, then why pay for it? So check out the other Trustfire lights, and those links do help the channel. This has been We All Juggle Knives and Lights. I'm out.